Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hello, hello. Yeah, I saw lots of people took perfect trades on gold this night, and I'm like, why I keep sleeping in London kill zone? Good job, guys. Good job, guys. You're doing perfect. So, guys, how are you? I got 2 scalps on gold, and I was aiming for exactly the same target, 33.47, 2 times, and I traded 10 micros. 9 micros was my 2R, and I decided to leave 1 micro each time for this 33.47 2 times and stop out at break even. And you know what will happen now? Probably it will drop to 47 because why not? So I got this short. I took 2R here, and I was aiming for this liquidity with my 1 runner, with my 1 micro left for this liquidity. I took this short for 2R, and I was leaving my 1 micro for this 47 level. I didn't take this one because I was like, first attempt, probably it will fail. And I still would like to see 33.47. I mean, like, that's so annoying. Let me show executions because let's see, guys. I got short. It's 1 minute. Try to see for you better. It's 1 short. I got one. Let me do like this. So I got in this short. I took my 2R almost at the bottom and dressed up. I 1 micro stop at break even. I know like why it shows like double arrow. It was just 1 micro. Maybe it's something lagging. I entered short again. Very close for 2R and running stop at break even, and I'm like, what's wrong with you, gold? So a bit annoying. But honestly, my entry was barely in drawdown each time. Still, guys, I see this as perfect trades and perfect exits. Like, I want to ignore this runner because it was just like, maybe, because normally I aim in for 2R, so no complaints, right? Blue lines, yeah, it was order block. So why I closed my trade over here, like as you can see, it was because we got order block retest. We got displacement. I was like, maybe it will give us reaction, but honestly, still annoying to see, like, why not to drop slightly lower? But as you can see, we're still trying to respect our fair value gap over here, but still annoying. No complaints, but like, didn't take this. I didn't trust this anymore. I mean, like, first attempt, no, probably will fail. No trust anymore. Let's talk about CL a little bit. So as you can see, we got potential 30-minute sweep. We got 3-minute order block for 2R. Yeah, maybe not lots of points, like 20 cents, but still, isn't that amazing? Like, that's brilliant, beautiful. Here is the NQ chart. This morning I prepared pre-market plans which already play out. I have no idea what we want to do at this point, because probably I would like to see a weak opening gap on ES. Yes, I do use SMT with CL. It's going to be RB. Actually, I explained this in my video. Let me check. Sorry, guys, it's from SMT because I was refreshing my TradingView. HO. So if you watch my last video about indicators, I talk about SMT. For CL, for example, it's going to be HO and RB. For gold, it's going to be silver. For NQ, it's going to be ES. And YM. But I'm not ready to call like perfect to use YM for SMT. No, I'm bullish on gold. I just wanted to see the tracing back to 40s. Never happened. So I would like to see the tracing back to 40s. I still would like to see this on gold. And then potential reversal. So 41, 44 will be brilliant. Kind of struggling right now. Talking about SMT with YM, probably that's me, but kind of hard for me to use YM as SMT with NQ and ES, because yesterday we were struggling to go anywhere, and we actually dropped at 10 a.m. on gold and ES, on ES and NQ, but YM kept pushing higher. I was like, how am I supposed to use this as SMT? That's so strange. So on gold I am bullish. On gold I am bullish for 34. Don't remember. Give me 1 second. I'm bullish to 34.13. That's where I would like to see gold. in the near future. Like, I'm not talking about today, like overall. Right? Let me delete this. Look at this chap on gold yesterday. That was ugly. And honestly, I still see this as kind of crazy. It's still kind of in this huge range overall. I kind of don't like this. But overall, on gold, what makes sense to me, drop to 40s, like somewhere over here, this area. Then do whatever you want, but we must drop there. It was my target 2 times. I just didn't trust this anymore. I was like, no way. Like, I will try 3rd time. It will probably stop me at break-even again. So that was crazy. But guys, I still would like to see this gray area taken. Maybe not that much. Maybe I'm asking, because I was looking for this flat candle. Maybe I'm asking for a lot. Like this. So back to 47, 44, that's what I'm looking at. Maybe not right now, but before going to 34.18, I would like to see 33.40 taken. Yeah, that's annoying, you know, guys. That's annoying. How it's struggling to drop, because I would say maybe like 1 week ago, it's already dropped long time ago. Like without any questions. So I was looking for this short, this move over here with this short. I was like, maybe not right now. I enter it again. Maybe right now. No, they said no, Dasha. Like, it's enough for you, this profit that you made, but not enough. So as you can see, every single runner stopped at break even. Extremely annoying. So this gray area is range between sell side over here and sell side over here. So basically, sell side liquidity area. I don't know how to name this properly. But I was like, once again, you know, I'm like a bit more conservative. I'm aiming for 2R only. And yes, I was aiming for 2R, and I'm happy I got 9 micros of 10 micros at my 2R. My husband created this name. He said, like, it sounds interesting. Like why not to try? I already discussed this before, but I still remember this. When I was only trying to create my Twitter profile, I was like, I don't need to put my real name. You probably want to ask me why. I have no idea why. But I was so sure I don't need to put my real name there. I don't know why, honestly. But guys, let's compare how it sounds. Dasha trades or Lumi trades? Lumi traders. I would say second option is way better. Oh, you got... Oh, finally. I know why it took so much time. Honestly. Yeah, God, I don't know where it comes from. I believe he just Googled something, or maybe he asked ChatGPT. But Dasha trade sounds ugly. I'm not going to lie, this sounds horrible. Yeah. Okay, guys, bias for gold. Let me turn off one screen because my mouse always wants to go to that screen. My bias for gold still remains bullish, but once again, I really would like to see it tracing back to 40s first before going to 34.18. Really need this retracement. That's what I'm expecting to get. For yes and NQ, I still would like to see new week opening gap on yes. And if I just want to open forward chart, Look at ES. Offers this sharp move down and then reverse to all-time high. Why not? Right? It's like trend line accumulation, or what's the name of this? I don't really remember. Like trend line accumulation. I would say it's the most strongest one. So it's normal. I don't know the proper name, honestly, but I believe it's trend line accumulation. Like this, you know? This is what we are going to have problem for chart on ES. We need the sharp move down before reversal. I would say equilibrium of Friday range at 60 to 11.25. Sounds interesting to be taken maybe today. What do you think about this, guys? Sounds like a plan? Sounds like a plan? Yeah. So it's only for our chart, you know? Maybe I'm asking for too much, but let's do something like this. Please. I'm not asking a lot. Just sharp move down before reverse. Which equilibrium from Friday range. Because NQ yesterday took this level. Like, why not to take this on ES? Since NQ took this. You got my plan, so let's see how it goes. Have no idea, but I believe it's going to be sharp move down before taking all-time high. This is what makes sense to me. Boom, boom. This is why I'm kind of a bit more bearish on ES. So I don't mind to see we going there. Also, at this point, we can drop to daily breakaway gap at 400. So to be more specific, 384. Big candle. Nothing is going on still. You know why I don't like to trade right now? CL. So probably I will come back to CL once we can close above this blue line that we discussed probably 2 weeks ago. So if our candle can close above this blue line, so I will come back to this. It's still ugly consolidation, and I would say it's not really tradable. Maybe that's me, guys, but I mean, CL right now offers scalps. Yesterday I got like 30-cent scalp. Like 30 cents is not that bad, but before we had bigger moves, right? So I kind of don't mind to see we're closing above this blue line first to pump. At least it's going to be some action, you know? Because so far we're just trading inside this consolidation. And once again, nothing wrong with scalps for like 2R for 15, 20 cents. It's not bad, but I just don't understand what kind of bias we have, right? So it's kind of accumulation. I cannot trade off higher from level at this point. Kind of, I know, like, yeah, I bought my funded futures evaluation. Let me, by the way, close my take profit trader. I'm not going to trade anymore there. I got my funded futures evaluation. I took 0 trades so far because this evaluation only for streams. So here's the proof. I just got this. So I just got this fresh evaluation. Took 0 trades there. And idea is to trade only between 9:30 and 11. Any setup I see. And once again, that's evaluation challenge. I don't recommend to copy my trades because it can be losing trades. I'm not going to guarantee it's going to be 100% win rate. Who knows, like how it goes. So once again, I can afford to buy more evaluations. I know some people cannot afford to buy more evaluations, so don't copy me, please. It's only for fun. Because you saw how IM session recently moves, especially on Q&As, kind of consolidation. So idea is to try and set up between 9:30 and 11, and that's challenge. So it's going to be a bit more different psychology because I'm going to trade a bit more different than I trade my funded accounts. That's what I'm trying to explain right now. Just be smart. Don't copy me. I just want to show you like how I'm going to pass this. I don't know. I didn't pass this for a long time. How it goes, who knows? Hi, Dasha. Thank you so much for your latest video. You're very welcome. It's not available. If you go on my Twitter, I posted exactly same short on Twitter from that I posted on YouTube. And to this post, I attached links for each indicator. If you can go this, please. If you can do this, please. Just limit traders. My Twitter. So go for this. I was trying to attach every single link because yes, multi-time frame SIP and alert not available for public, but it's available with link. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? So I already said about about ES and NQ, but I believe on ES I kind of would like to see move like this, and at this point I would like to see probably daily breakaway gap taken on NQ with reversal. Okay, let me switch on NQ right now on my Ninja Trader because probably I will try to execute on Q today. And once again, guys, a quick note right now. So I decided to risk $400 each trade. So I will adjust the contract accordingly because I want to risk only $400 per trade. So if it's going to be like 50-point stop loss, I will try to risk around like trade around like 4 or 5 micros just to show you like risk management, how I'm going to manage my risk. What else? What else? I would like to see lower on NQ and ES. So I got 50K account, I just showed you before. So maybe I got 50K account and starter plus, I believe. But once again, I don't see significant difference between starter and starter plus, honestly. So if you want to get starter, it's not a big difference. I would say difference between starter and starter plus. So it's up to you. That's probably me, but I didn't see like significant difference. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm going to trade something between 9:30 and 11. Even if it's going to be like B plus setup, idea is to execute this because it's evaluation. Try to trade every setup I see. I hope so. Every step I see because I don't trade demo account. I do want to trade something. So I got evaluation for this. Let's see how it goes. Idea is to try to trade every step I see. I know how it goes, but I hope it's going to be good. It's going to be good. You got. I'm going to change the color to orange because it's 9 a.m. open. Let's talk about second short on gold a bit later today because let's try to be focused. But once again, don't copy me. I just want to trade every step I see today. I got evaluation for this. So today I already traded my other account. So today I'm going to trade just evaluation for challenge. So okay, maybe I would like to see something like this. Back to 9 a.m. open right after this. 6 minutes left until market open. Do we have any data? Not really. I hope IM session not going to be garbage. But I'm not going to trade consolidation. That's what I want to say, guys. I'm not good at consolidation. Just will try to trade something good. Maybe like M2 model if it's going to present something, you know. Okay, I don't need copier today at all. It's in sync. Okay. CRT work. I didn't just study CRT, but I believe everything works. So I would say my concern right now on ES is this trend line, basically low resistance, right? So I do want to see something like this. It doesn't mean like you will drop right at the open. No. Just like maybe today, maybe. By the way, tomorrow market is going to close at 1:15. I will not trade. It's short day. It's going to reopen at 6 p.m. and going to close at 1:15 p.m. on Friday. So tomorrow is like short day. I don't trade short days. I spend time on something more useful to study something. So my kid is going to be at summer camp. So I will spend my time on something more useful. No, tomorrow also short day. And on Friday short day. Am I right about this? Guys, confirm this. Who checked? Tomorrow short day? That yeah, then yeah, okay. So I am not going to try to pass this for one day. No, idea is not pass full port to pass for one day. No, just slowly. But tomorrow huge news. Yeah, it's okay. Probably it will move pre-market, and right after pre-market it's going to be garbage. This is what I'm going to expect. So I'm not going to trade tomorrow, as well as I'm not going to trade on Friday. Just not worth it. Full port, no. Idea of this, of course I could full port like long time ago on CL. Not on CL, on gold. We already passed this. What's the point? How you recommend to study ICT? I have syllabus on my Twitter. I guess it in my highlights. So gold, yes, I will probably check gold for pre-market, but I'm not going to even look at indices tomorrow. Like zero reason. So overall on for chart on ES, I would like to see lower to equilibrium of Friday range, but looking at lower time frame, kind of would like to see pump, not maybe that much, and retracing back to 9 a.m. open. Let's see. I just would like to see this high taken. Well, kind of. Does market makers here see this? I said, and they said, okay, Dasha, okay, I will do this for you. Okay. Yes, I know. Tomorrow we have news at 8:30 a.m., but I believe IM session is going to be garbage because it's going to be short day. First of July, yes, at 11. I mean at 1 p.m. Yeah, thank you. We'll take screenshots right now. So yeah, tomorrow short day. It's going to close at 1 p.m. Reopen at 6 p.m. And going to close on Friday at 1 p.m. as well. This account on Monday. On Monday. Of course, I can trade pre-market tomorrow on gold, but what's the point? It's for streams only, so I will probably try to trade my other accounts for pre-market, but probably I'm not going to even open trading platform. And since tomorrow's short day, Friday is bank holiday, I will just take a day off. We'll start working on new video, like just not worth it. I believe IM session itself will be a bit choppy. Maybe I'm wrong, but this I have what I believe to get. Line, which line? This orange line? Which one? Oh, it's 9 a.m. open if you're asking for this orange line. Something like this. this. Yeah. Let's see if we get some setups today. At least something. Yeah, if you made 2K, no. Yeah, relax. Enjoy your day, yeah. It's evaluation, so I will be fine. Not going to be disappointed with any result. I mean, if I see setup, even if it's going to be B+, but it's not going to be in consolidation, I will give it a chance. So it's okay. Not going to complain about this. Oh, you new to ICT. Welcome to ICT community. Family, our family. So once again, we just took this high. I do like to see 9M open. And I really want to get like M2 model, but as you can see, we got just straight move over here, like nothing yet. Maybe slightly higher than... We will see. What else do we have? What else do we have? Nothing. Oh, we got our breaker block. Kind of nothing interesting yet. I mean, I do like to see the test of 9M open, but not going to just chase right now because I see 0 entries. I see volatility, a bit of volatility right now. What is going on? Going to highlight breaker block. So basically, breaker block on 1 hour chart is over here. We got a breaker block. I would say exactly the same breaker block on yes, but I believe we traded into this. No, not yet. We just touched the bottom of this breaker block. Now still has room to go higher than. So this gray boxes is hourly breaker block. Oh, you got 150K valuation. Why you got 150K? Why not 50K? 150K is so hard to pass. It's just every single time I feel like it's not worth it. But I still got TPT with 150K size. You want to increase size? Okay. Just trade not same size as I'm going to trade. Okay, NQ traded into hourly breaker block. Expert. I mean, for this challenge, expert, not worth it, honestly, for me. I got 30 or 30 plus. I don't remember which one it is. How to even check this? I know. 30 plus, I believe. So kind of trying to eject from Asia low. Yeah, we just touched the bottom of this breaker block, but we never ever traded into this breaker block just yet. I still keeping my eyes on this 9am open. Still would like to see this level taken. Yeah, exactly. 350K is way better than 150K. I know, like, why people... Because I need to, like, make $3,000 to pass this. And it's easier to build the buffer. But when I'm going to pass 150K, I need to build a bigger buffer 3 times more than 50K. It's just will take so much time. Yeah, I know, like 5, yeah, exactly. It's not a big deal, I would say. 2 micros with 25 points on NQ. It's okay. Breaky block on yes, this gray block, so I highlighted this one. This down close candle as breaker block. Would like to see a test of 9am open, but unfortunately no setups for this just yet. Yeah, exactly. If you trade 150K, just bigger size. I mean, still kind of not worth it if I want to compare ratio between 50K and 150K, not worth it. So basically I need to make $3,000 and not lose $2,500, but it's not even like twice, right? So not worth it. If you want to move from CFD to futures, probably best decision is going to be my funded futures, take profit trader. So you can consider them, especially with their deals right now. Apex, yes, but considering like true cost to funding, my funded futures and take profit trader win at this point. Funded next, absolutely yes, it worth it as well. But funded next futures, I'm just trying to compare the prices right now, you know. So my funded next futures right now running 40% off. Yeah, right now price is better, way better than it was before. So yeah, you can try my funded next futures as well. But the best price right now with no activation fee, funded next futures also doesn't have activation fee. My funded futures or take profit trader. That's my humble opinion about this. Account size. If you're good with your prop firm on CFD, I highly recommend to pick 50K account and probably trader weight. Especially for my funded futures or TPT accounts, trader weight is best option. So it depends on plan you got with my funded futures, you will get different rules for payouts. You can read on their website. TradeZella, I never heard about this. So I was looking for M2 model to short back to 9 AM open. Nothing right now is going on. I'm just probably going to wait for a yes to trade into this hourly breaker block as well. On gold, we must drop to 47. I'm going to talk about futures. We must drop to this gray area. So I was trying to short twice on my take profit trader account, and I got my 2R, and I just left one micro as my runner to take 33.47. Never happened. I'm like, what's wrong with you, gold? What's wrong with you? But considering model, so I was trying to decide if I'm going to short again and not, and decided like not. So we got my model again over here. So my model over here again, and I saw this in real time. I'm like, third attempt. I already got 2 winners today in gold. These 2 trades, I took these 2 trades, and I'm like, should I trade this again, like third time, or what was I supposed to do with this? And I decided like, no, thank you. I didn't trust this third attempt, honestly. 47 was extremely obvious level to me, and I was aiming for this level at this short. Never happened. I'm like, third attempt? No. Some people say tell me 3 is a lucky number, but I believe it's not for me. So on gold, I would like to see this gray box traded into. SMT with silver, SI symbol. Still would like to see 47 taken on gold. I'm not sure on, I'm going to check for you because I'm not entirely sure which level is going to be on. For you, it's going to be 33, 36. So this level taken just for your CFD probably. So I would like to see 33, 36.75. So you got this, so this liquidity. I'm just not sure how to pronounce these numbers. I know, you got it. 47 on gold. Not 47, 46.6, but you got it. CFD I mean, I started with futures. What's the point of switching to trade CFD if I can have gold future, silver future, like any other futures? Like, what's the point? I even can trade euro on futures. Zero reason to switch to CFD, honestly. I believe we inside market maker sell model low and time frame with second stage of free distribution right now. I would like to see deeper retracement back to discount before continue going higher. We just kind of stuck at this premium level, kind of at equilibrium. This just made sense to me, you know. I would like to see 47 or like maybe slightly lower, but not necessarily like 46.6. You got it. So yes, kind of barcoding right now. Nothing is going on. SMT, if you watch my video, like last video on my YouTube about indicators, I showed settings. Even posted short yesterday on YouTube how I use this. Just go on my channel, you will see. Once again, I'm looking for short to 9 with target at 9 AM open. Just need to find some sort of setup for this. I don't see even low probability yet. I'm not Sasha, I'm Dasha, but that's fine. Did you enter 1 minute? No, I didn't enter 1 minute. I just showed how it looked on 1 minute chart because on 3 minute chart it looked messy. So no, I used 3 minute chart for my interest. Just posted executions with on 1 minute chart. Easier to see executions, you know. Exactly same M2 model as I use at 10 AM, but since 10 AM, between 10 AM and 11, mostly garbage, like consolidation, I just a little bit shifted my time, trade 9 AM. That's it. I hope it helps. So 2-minute chart still looks more bullish. I don't see the structure to downside just yet. I was thinking maybe we can invert 2-minute fair value gap. I mean, still 1 minute left. Still we have time. How big range? Let's check this. Around 70 points. Yeah, PM session is going to be this month. Yeah, this month we will start. Just next week is week of giveaways because of my birthday and we hit 25,000 people. So next week is going to be week of giveaways. So no point to stream PM session because it's going to be 4 AM session. Like people can participate in this giveaway. But well, guys, you know, that's funny actually to say, but when we have, that's funny once again, every single time when someone asks a question about why my name Dasha, but I call like my YouTube, Twitter, Lumi, like 10 people right after this ask this question as well. You're not alone. Like you're first person for the day who asked this question. We discussed this at the beginning of Steam, so you can watch this. Rewatch this if you want. So yeah, I have 2 videos about models that I trade. I don't know what I'm supposed to record about backtesting because you just need to backtest exactly what I explained. Copier Replikanto if you trade on Ninja Trader, so best one so far on the market. But TradeZella on their YouTube channel have perfect video how to use TradeZella backtesting tool. So just go on their YouTube channel, you will find video about how to use this. Just backtest what I explained in the video. I don't see the point to record backtesting. Just like, what's the point, you know? Can you post? Yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. Post the link for TradeZella. Yeah, of course I can do this. I watched this, by the way, a couple of days ago. It was, yeah, this one. The guy explained this so well. Here's the link, guys, how to use TradeZella backtesting tool. They recorded like 13 minutes video, pretty much easy to use, you know. But he explained how it works, explained each tool. So yes, final approach on this breaker block. So I'm still sitting on my hands, 2 minutes never inverted. So nothing is going on so far. I wouldn't say like this is perfect example of order block, but yes, we basically balanced for our bullish fair value gap. In Q720, 750 zone. Oh yeah, we just reached this. Oh, you want to see like London high? Okay, yeah, probably it may work. So I'm looking for hourly breaker block on yes. So at this point, yeah, we can push to New York midnight open. We can push to London high, yeah. Oh, if you go to description of my stream, current stream, just scroll down, you will find the links for model. I posted, I believe, yeah, 2 videos there. It's okay, so yeah. Still believe nothing. Idea is to trade between 9:30 a.m. and 11, and I believe I saw nothing for long between 9:30 a.m. and 11. I mean, for value gaps, I mean, yeah, that's fine. Just not what I'm going to trade. Just trying to stick to model at least. But London high can be taken so easily on NQ. Yes. We got very small for value gap. So yeah, I would say even if I decide to stay in 1 minute chart, I saw nothing good for long. Yeah, if you got in pre-market, that's nice. But I traded pre-market as well. I got 2 winners. Like I have 0 complaints. Idea is to trade this evaluation between 9:30 and 11. So I would say it offered still nothing. See this market is scam. I mean, I mean, Gold, are you serious? Just tell me why you didn't drop when I wasn't this short. Okay, I will accept this. What's the problem to drop when I wasn't this short? Why? Because? Oh, yeah, of course, that's perfect answer. But when I decided like not going to trust this third short, they dropped. Beautiful. I hate it. It's not first time, but I hate it. I mean, I made good money today, but I'm not satisfied that I made money. I could be satisfied if you took my target. I mean, I got 2R, no complaints, but so basically my trade ideas play out today, and I traded only 2. By the way, when I was in these 2 shorts this morning, I was barring drawdown, maybe a couple of seconds, and then it went my favor immediately. I usually trade gold most of the time. See these scammers? Right now it's going to drop to 47. I hate it. Scammers. Not fair. Not fair. Okay. Gold, I think I will think about our relationship in the future because it's hard to trust you after this situation that happened this morning. Yeah. I will think about our relationship in the future. It's not good behavior, you know? Posted executions on Twitter for these 2 shorts. And I was trading with 10 micros this morning. I took 9 micros off, 1 micro for this 47 just because I need to satisfy myself with this, like, my final target reach. I'm so happy. Both times, stop at break even. I'm like, and guys, I swear to God, when I saw this short, this morning I was like, no, it's not going to play out because you tried twice. This attempt will fail. Why? Because it's gold. It's acting like this. Break up. No. Gold makes money. Gold doing as not really. It had to drop when I wasn't short. Because right now I'm disappointed because I was so right with my bias and my levels, and probably was just early. Links available in description of this live stream. Just go to description. Oh, I'm sorry. Me and gold had a toxic relationship. I'm pretty much doing great on gold. I'm still keeping all my all my trade ideas on my chart. And I was wrong only one time so far. No, not one time, 2 times. I was in this short, which stopped me at break even because I was up 1.5 R. So this one didn't play out. I was wrong, by the way, 2 days ago as well, but I wasn't on that trade. Oh, look at this ejection so far from my final target. And Q, I keep in my eyes right now on Q, it's just garbage. We have market maker buy or sell model. I believe we kind of inside buy model still. I know, like, guys, on gold, I'm doing so well so far. Yeah, it was 30-minute and 3-minute execution. Exactly, yes. I call this box a sell side liquidity area. Scammers could get another 9 points. But I would probably, if I was in this trade, I would probably execute with 5 micros, not 10 micros, because I don't want to give them my profit back. It could be another like $450. That could be pretty much good. Scammers. Not fair. But it's okay. Still zero confirmation of shorting. I believe ES going for New York midnight open. At this point, NQ will bounce to London high. Still nothing in the leg. Why that level? I basically call this like liquidity level. So basically level between sell side over here, because we got big wick, as you can see, and sell side over here. So just this area between 2 sell side liquidity levels. I don't trade kill zones on gold. I don't even have like London high, London low. I'm more like scalp for 2R, but my scalps are around like 10-15 points normally. But over here I got like 5 points 2 times. So total I got 10 points with these 2 shorts. Still doing well, I would say. I don't really use macro, but I noticed like market moves pretty much well at 7 and 8.20. I don't know what is going on at these times, but market pretty much well at this time. I don't think gold kill zone applies for gold. Some people told me like Dasha it works. I'm keeping my eyes right now on Q, just nothing. I believe it needs to pump slightly higher first. It is what it is. Equal lows. Yeah. By the way, guys, give me 1 second. I forgot my water bottle. 1 second. Why negative for? You can do negative for 100 likes. I missed any questions, guys. I don't think kill zone. Yeah, I wouldn't say. I didn't check. I'm not sure if kill zones for gold up works. My fundatory discount is the best. Yes, exactly. So far we have perfect discount for 50% off on any size, any plan. How many years? Oh, still takes lots of time. I would say 2+ years. You won yesterday giveaway. That's fine. Then you'll get this within the next 2 days, I believe. Wait. I won yesterday giveaway, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get an. You won on my stream? Because yesterday I was giving away Take Profit Trader. If you create an account with my link, or at least you have account with Take Profit Trader, you will get email within the next 2 days. Looking for long on gold now? Not yet. No, not yet. No. Around like 44, 41. It still needs to drop slightly lower, like another 3-4 points lower on gold. So no longs yet. Don't blindly like press buy button. Nothing yet. It's still bearish. Just annoying. You know what is annoying? That I wasn't this fair trade. But guys, knowing my luck, I'm extremely lucky person. If I decided to trade this, market would take all my profit back. You sure don't see? I mean, this kind of looks ugly, right? But hourly confirms this. 30-minute looks absolutely ugly, but hourly confirmed perfectly. Oh, that's an interesting question about being bullish on gold. I will show you right now. So as you can see, yes, we have strong SMT right now between gold and silver. And what we got? We took this equal lows. We have potential weekly sweep, right? So at this point, I would like to see at least an attempt to take opposite candle liquidity level. So switches, sell side, buy side over here. So I believe it may try. I'm not saying like it will happen, but I believe we may get something like this. Doesn't mean it will happen. Just what may happen? Like consolidation, second stage of reaccumulation, move higher. Make sense? This is what I'm looking at right now on gold. I just don't know why I didn't find gold early, because I just waste lots of time sitting with 0 trades, no profit, when NQ was bad. Let me see. Regular. So gold, just maybe I'm lucky, but I started trading like everyday gold since June. I mean, I was trying not last spring, it was in March. I was doing great, but I don't know why I decided to switch back on NQ. It was biggest mistake I ever made in my life. Then I decided to, like, when NQ was literally ugly in May, I was like, if I'm not going to change something right now with my trading, for example, at least instrument, something will happen. Will happen, and it's going to be bad. Check out ICT videos. ICT Mentorship Core Content Month 10. Oh. He was talking about 7. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, let me take screenshot, because obviously I can forget. Of course. Thank you for letting me know. Yes, and it needs to go higher. I already said it before. Yes needs to take New York Midnight Open. 12 points away. Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. I wouldn't say that's perfect correlation between gold and silver, but it's the most closest, I guess, correlation that I found. Yes, I would say I still going to use silver as instrument to look for SMT with gold. So yeah. Someone told me like use DXY, but your haircut? No, not really. No, just cut ends and that's it. And that's it. But you notice this. I mean, I read somewhere, I'm not sure where it was, but someone said when NQ and gold moves in the same direction, most likely NQ in manipulation phase. So most of the time they're moving in the opposite directions. I cannot say like it's great signal or confirmation, but from what I saw, if NQ like moving higher and strong move up, gold normally trying to drop. Oh, interesting. So I would like to see a move to New York Midnight Open on ES right now. Not right now, like maybe it will take time, but so far nothing, absolutely nothing good happened on NQ and ES between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Maybe will happen something with the next hour, but nothing. Absolutely nothing. This week's on ES looks absolutely horrible. So kind of bullish on ES, but see how it's struggling right now. Zero signs of shorts, nothing yet. I would say I don't really mind to see bounce at least 5, maybe even 10 points on ES more. Lot and high will be taken on NQ at this point. No, every single indicator that I shared yesterday on my short or in my YouTube video is free. This is the point of this video, so I'm not going to record video for paid indicators. It doesn't mean like I need to stick to a trade CFD because, come on, silver, CL, gold, euro, what else? What else? HO, RB, like, guys, look at these futures. I can trade as many as I want, just pick one. Candlesticks are going to be the same everywhere. So, Christmas tree. You can learn only from YouTube, just trust me, you don't need to join any Discords. Futures are better, like no slippage. I mean, sometimes, depending on platform, we have slippage, but normally not. And yes, it's hard to manipulate. I would say it's almost impossible. So exactly 10 points away from New York Midnight Open on a yes. Not really for, no. I mean, I can consider high time frame for a value gap, but I don't trade for a value gap itself. 20-minute chart offered absolutely nothing to me, as well as hourly. Just considering entry between 9:30 and 10:06. So I saw nothing good. Maybe something for a chart. Look at this week. Double sweep, you know. No, 15-minute entry. Kind of not worth it. Depends. Look, how you should manage your risk. At this point, let's say you set like maximum daily loss limit. Let's say it's going to be $600, and your first trade you stopped out for $400. So you still have $200 to risk, right? So adjust your contract for $200 risk, right? Which is, for example, if it's going to be, it can be exactly same contracts if your stop loss is smaller. It can be a bit less amount of contract, but you need to adjust your risk accordingly. So you have $200, you need to risk $200, not more. So depends on stop loss, how many points you're going to risk. Today on both trades, not on both trades, on first trade I was risking around like $200. It was pretty much solid risk. And second trade I was risking around like 170. I got a bit more than 2 hours this time, but still. That's why I was trading 10 micros, just to take partial, so of course I could trade. Are we selling on what? On NQ? Not yet. We just hit New York midnight open, but that's pretty much it. Nothing is going on just yet. I kind of would like to see slightly higher on ES still. Not going to, you know, short every single retracement, pullback. Kind of accumulation. Let's bounce. Then short. Maybe something like this, you know. This gray box is already old one, don't need this anymore. It was hourly breaker block, and it's hourly breaker block as well. YM is dropping. How am I supposed to use YM for SMT? Just tell me. How am I supposed to do this? So kind of stuck at New York midnight open so far, and that's pretty much it. Let's see if we get at least some sort of structure for the short. Nothing. Bitcoin looks bullish. I mean, yeah, slightly higher on ES will be nice as well. So maybe. Also inside new week opening gap so far. I'm not going to lie, so based on model that I trade, 0 entries between 9:30 and 10:10 so far. 40 minutes and no entries, but I wouldn't say like something significant happened. We still just moved 50 points for almost 1 hour. 50 points for almost 1 hour. That's already that's already a sign. trying to pump. I like it. So maybe we'll go to New York midnight open on ES first. It just feels like market maker buy model as well on ES, because obviously it's market maker buy model on NQ. But see how it's struggling. So it's, I saw of course, but not that often I see how slow first stage of accumulation. I kind of see this as accumulation, manipulation to London high, maybe slightly higher, then distribution to downside, at least to take this low. I talked yesterday about PD rays. It's hard to use daily or 4-hour PD ray for intraday bias, because sometimes we can get continuation, not worse, and makes 0 sense to use 4-hour or daily levels for PD ray. So normally I use 50-minute, 30-minute, and hourly PD rays to frame my entries, even if it's going to be 30-minute potential sweep or hourly potential sweep. I will use 50-minute, 30-minute, and hourly PD rays for intraday bias. I hope it helps. I don't like market maker. You don't like my video? What? On Bitcoin, I would like to see 120 in the near future. So like $13,000 higher. Approaching London high. Once again, since market open, we pump only around 60 points. Kill zone for gold. That's a great question. I don't use kill zones, but I believe it's going to be exactly the same as you use kill zone for NQ and ES. I never tried. I cannot recommend or can say it's bad or good. I don't know. You just need to try and you can let me know. I don't know. I don't use this at all. I have no idea if gold took London high or London low, because I don't care. I don't need this. Gold pretty much easy to trade with turtle soaps, as well as easy to trade from premium to discount, from discount to premium. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. And Q doesn't like to retrace anymore. I mean, I would say I'm not going to wait for retracement. Probably will wait for like sign of market maker sell model, smart money reversal. I know gold moves amazing during London kill zone, like during London, right? But I prefer to sleep at 2 a.m. I know that's that's bad to say, but if I'm not going to sleep between 2 and 5 a.m., I'm not going to sleep at all. Yeah, I know, like, people who sleep, traders who sleep during the night, losers, but traders don't supposed to sleep at all, but no. Impossible for me. Let's see. Anyway, we got, once again, accumulation, looking for potential maybe London high taken, and then look for move slightly lower. You don't understand this kind of price action. You're not alone, by the way. So lots of people who said like they don't understand how gold moves and how to aim for any levels. So that's why I trade for 2R. Because look at it, guys. I wasn't this short and my target was this gray box. But since I'm aiming for 2R, I was good. I wasn't this short and my target was this gray box. But since I'm aiming for 2R, I was good again. So you don't need to know where gold, you don't need to try to catch it on gold like, I don't know, 50 points, 100 points. You don't need this. Just be happy with your 2R, and sometimes it's going to be 15 points, sometimes it's going to be 5 points, sometimes it's going to be maybe even 30 points, who knows. But even on NQ, like, from what I saw, not worth it to aim for any liquidity levels. I mean, that's not bad, but 2R, that's pretty much enough. If it's going to present any signs of reversal on gold, I would try, yes. If it's going to be between 9:30 and 11, yeah. Yes, I mean, gold permanently bullish, right? So, and sometimes it's so hard. Sometimes it's so hard to understand where we can retrace, right? Do you trade partials? Do you take partials on gold? I mean, today I was trading with 10 micros on each trade. I got 9 micros off on 2R, so and left 1 micro for this 33.47. Stopped out at break even. So yeah, I can say like it was not really partial. I closed most positions off. Yeah, I try to take if I see a good spot to take the partial. I don't see your question. Word info. I don't see your question. Market making range. So yeah, and you're approaching London high, extremely slow. Since market opened, we just barely moved. Come on, give us some entries. Sell, 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 sell. Free fall. Why not? Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's crazy. But still, with even this sell-off, M3, I mean, 30-minute sweep, potential sweep, 3-minute order block happened, right? Yes, I got trader weight with my funded teachers. Yes, trader weight. What news? For what? I don't trade NQ before 9:30 a.m. I trade gold pre-market 99% of the time because another 1% for CL. Left for CL. You want to see 20... Oh, okay. What level do you have there? How boring is this? But anyway, I'm so happy I got winning trades on my take profit trader accounts. What can be better than this? Nothing. Gold was brilliant. 3 setups. I mean, I saw three setups, 3 play out. Brilliant. What could be better? I don't know. Approaching London high. So slow, but it is what it is. We have minor, order block on 2-minute chart. It may actually try to retrace there, but not necessary to see this, honestly. I was looking for retracement back to discount before continue going higher because we got straight move up. Kill zone, kill for Nasdaq. Kill zones, Asia kill zone, London kill zone, New York kill zone. We got 2-minute order block. We have buy side liquidity. Crazy how it's struggling. So I believe it made a trace to this M2OB first. So if you're asking me about Killzone's available on ICT YouTube channel. He actually covered each Killzone there. Crazy how slow it is. Probably will look for the tracement to 2-minute OB, but I'm looking for London high. It may happen like this, or just straight move up to London high. I don't really care. It's like 10 points away from London high, so must take this, in my opinion. Yes, it's about to take buy side liquidity, but New York midnight open still like 6 points away. I hope they're not going to play games, like 10 points away from London high makes zero sense for deep retracement. But not in Q. Why not? It's going to be a bigger scam if it's just going to retrace 10 points away from London high. Let me zoom in a little bit, yes. Did it take this? Oh, no, not yet. Would like to see London high taken. At least by side over here. We just took this. Let's see if my pump 10 more points on NQ, which doesn't make sense not to take this, This will be good. C2. Что такое? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. What is C2? C2 unicorn on gold. C2. It's model? What is C2 unicorn? 5-minute sweep? Oh, it's like breaker plus. You got it. It's like breaker plus fair value gap. New York Midnight Open taken on ES. No. It's just not publicly available, this multi-time frame sweep and alert indicator. But if you go on my Twitter, I posted a link for each indicator under the post about indicators. Okay, we just took, not really took, but we touched New York Midnight Open. Let's see if we get a tracing from that level. Oh, it's free. Yeah, just go on my Twitter. You will find link for each indicator and the post under the post about indicators. Oh, gold long. Gold offered long. Sorry, guys, I didn't see this. We got SMT, we traded this box. We got potential 30-minute sweep, but I don't see nothing yet. I mean, we just got 3-minute order. It's not even 3, it's 5-minute. But yeah, we got 3-minute OB over here. It's offered to R based on this 3-minute order block. Not yet. Of course, depends on your risk, but I don't see 2R yet. Oh, 1 minute. I don't trade 1 minute chart, you know. I mean, maybe for the tracement, but I would like to see slightly lower on gold, slightly lower. Maybe for the tracements that will work, but lower will be better. Honestly, I would like to see we taken 33.43. So basically, we finish market maker sell model at this liquidity level. Yeah, I mean, I just can imagine how I can trade gold in 1 minute chart. It just, maybe that's me, but it's hard. But once again, on gold, I don't want to long this setup because I still would like to see slightly lower on gold. I mean, maybe for scalp, for the tracement that will play out, but it's not reversal yet. I think so. I can be wrong, by the way. I cannot say like I completely stopped using 1 minute chart, not really, but I don't really trust this. Well, yes, you said gold hit my level, but at this point, we need to get smart money reversal to look for reversal. Potential SIP is not smart money reversal. Smart money reversal will be at least closure above this gray box. Change in the state of delivery and inversion for about. It will be smart money reversal. So I will look for long. I will try the long trade. Maybe even on Steam if we are going to get this, I don't know. But what we have right now is not smart money reversal. It's nothing. It can be just a retracement, but as long as we sit inside this gray box, which is fair value gap, and just touch this, and it's give us reaction, I would like to see lower to take sell side over here. That's it. Sell side. You want to see drop on gold first? Yes, same. CL took this flat candle, tested 50% of original consolidation. See this? See how we're trying to respect every time 50% of original consolidation? Okay, let's see if we get reaction from New York midnight open, but it's not going to be reversal. It'll be so close to previous day high level. Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Also, don't forget to subscribe to newsletter for new homework assignments and lessons. I mean, yeah, challenge today made zero money, zero profit, but at least other accounts in profit, Please send your homework, or you can post on Twitter and just tag me or send me direct message with your homework. What platform for giveaway? Take Profit Trader. Still bullish, so. On gold, I would like to see slightly lower. If you see setup for gold right now too long, you can, of course, but I would like to see slightly lower. That's why I said I'm not going too long. You didn't receive any homework? I will check this after stream. No, giveaway didn't start yet. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway, guys. 1 second. Why I would like it slightly lower on gold? Because we inside market makers sell model on lower time frame, and sell side, I mean, in my opinion, end of this market maker model sitting near 33.43. I mean, for the retracement, I'm fine right now. For the retracement to go, maybe balance estimate fair value, get 52, 54, but it's for the retracement only. The slow move up, crazy. Anyway, if nothing, then nothing. So guys, I will send on Friday new homework assignment. So your task is to subscribe to newsletter. In order to subscribe to my newsletter, just go to description of this live stream. Scroll down, you'll find my newsletter, weekly newsletter. Just subscribe to get new homework on Friday. I will still continue doing this challenge. So once again, my funded futures running 50% off on all plans, as well as TradingView running 50% off on all plans. I mean, like perfect deals right now. One of the biggest deals that I saw the entire year. You know, even my funded next futures running 40% off. So not 40, 30% off. So it's, you can get some accounts. Elliott Trading Pro firm. I mean, I traded with them a long time ago, like 2 years ago, maybe even more. So I didn't trade from more than 2 years. So cannot say something. Funded next futures, yes, one-time fee. So this means if you're going to get right now evaluation, you will pay just once. You don't need to pay for the second month, third month, fourth month, and so on. You don't need to pay activation fee. Just one-time activation fee for everything. Thank you. No, it's only one-time fee for funded next futures. Funded next futures, not my funded futures. Funded next futures. So you'll pay only one-time activation fee. That's it. So gold may just retrace slightly higher back to 52, 53, I believe, but I still have a level over 33.43, which is sell side to complete market maker. Sell model. Market showing. Not really. So I wouldn't say like IM session. I mean, for some people it was amazing IM session, but I wouldn't say it was perfect. I mean, like great IM session. Just slow move up with 0 retracements. Speak Russian. I did a little bit accidentally. You need to have copier to copy across several accounts. So trying to respect this 1 minute propulsion block. I mean, I'm not going to try this, obviously. But we have 2 minute OB. And we trace there. And validation of this water block, and I would say bullish move probably is going to be break below 796. It's just slow move up. It respects every single P0 and lower time frame. I normally hate it. I will probably try to use either MT model or potential 30-minute sweep, but it's going to be for lunch PM session. So far, just straight move up with really zero retracements. Just we're trying to respect every single PD ray, every single pullback that offers this order block. Multi-accounts. Yeah, I will do video about copier. Just next video is going to be probably top-down analysis. I'll show you how I analyze gold CL. Crazy slow. But I'm happy with my trades on gold. Still would like to see slightly lower on gold. That's why I'm not in any longs right now. First sign of invalidation of potential continuation higher is going to be break below mean threshold of 2-minute OB. Then we need to form opposite order block. Another propulsion block. So far trying to respect every single order block. That's crazy. Trying to respect once again every single order block on lower time frame. Well, nothing I like, honestly. You're gonna trade. Let's see. So tomorrow, no trading for me. It's going to be a short day. Market is going to close at 1 p.m. Even if we have data at 8:30 a.m., probably I will look for pre-market trades, and that's it. Because I believe IM session is going to be garbage. It doesn't mean like it will be garbage, but I believe it's going to be garbage. And bank holiday on Friday, so we'll continue my challenge on Monday. Tomorrow, or for this PM session, I will trade my funded accounts. If you cannot trade every single order block on 1-minute chart, you're not pro. If you cannot trade 10-second chart, you're not pro. So you're just beginner. Of course, time to drop hard. Let's offer zero setups, just like straight move down. I love it. My favorite. 1 second, yeah. Tomorrow PM session will be closed. Market is going to close at 1 p.m. and reopen at 6 p.m. Let's do a straight move. Oh, let's see what gold is doing right now. Trying to balance the 3-minute fair value gap. I love it. Brilliant. Just straight move. Down. Anyway. Yeah, on gold, I would like to see rebalancing the 3-minute fair value gap. And if it's going to invert, we got a sign of smart money reversal confirmed by order block and inversion fair value gap. And at this point, yes, we don't need to take this sell side. We will continue pumping hard, even more. Yes, this one. I know how much time it will take to pass this evaluation. Anyway. Oh, interesting. It's weekly expected range for gold. It's not inversion. It's not because it's gold. Like in order to confirm potential smart money reversal, we need to get higher from level. Smart money reversal can be confirmed by higher from level, change in the state of delivery inversion, or higher from level, change in the state of delivery and market structure shift. So inversion and change in the state of delivery will confirm this. Yes, TradingView absolutely amazing. You can try them. Exactly today, by the way, happened today. Exactly same happened today on gold. I got my 2 Rs and it simply reversed from 2R. Crazy, right? Yes, I traded take profit traders this morning. Gold. I would say first place, I can, from my experience, I can put on first place my funded futures take profit trader. Best of the best. Especially they running flash sales right now, like depends. Sometimes I use body when we have big wick. When we have small wick, I use entire candle, as you can see. Oh, that's actually interesting about this expected weekly range. Aqua futures, never heard about them. Funding ticks. I really want to try them because lots of people talk about them, but no, never tried it yet. Blue lines is order blocks. Order block, order block, order block. Order blocks. Data you mentioned. What kind of data did I mention? I already forgot. What did I say? Remind me, please. Crazy. Look where it reversed, like to the tick. How? And did not inverse this, as you can see, right? It's not sign of smart money reversal just yet, so. As retracement, that's fine. We balanced the minute fair value gap. Oh, news tomorrow. Oh, yeah, I got it. Give me 1 second. It's going to be NFP at 8:30 a.m. NFP. 8:30 a.m. news. Yeah, kind of. I know, like. I'm not in best relationship with NQ. I got 2 winners today on gold. So set up on CL, but entered gold. Good for me. Oh yeah, I meant news. Sorry about this. Well, guys, if you're not going to hit 400 likes before 11, no giveaway today. We will try again on Monday because tomorrow is short day. No trades. No stream. Not sure about trades. keep going higher. I'm not fan of this anyway. London, I sleep during London. I do trade pre-market on gold most of the time. Yeah, holiday on Friday, but tomorrow market is going to close at 1 p.m. We have news at 8:30 a.m. and I believe it's going to be volatile between 8:30 and 9 a.m. And probably after market open, it's going to be a bit choppy. I'm not saying like it will be choppy, I know, but I believe it's going to be not best price action. If you're new on my channel, I started from today. I started new challenge, path from evaluation to funded. So on this challenge, no trades yet. I got my funded futures with their 50% off sale. So I will not touch this tomorrow because no streams. I will trade my funded accounts as I did this morning. And nothing on Friday. I will come back trading this evaluation on Monday. Trade pre-market. I think pre-market tomorrow will be nice. I don't trade London because I live in USA. It's kind of late when it's London. So it's your best time to get my funded futures with 50% off, or TradingView with 50% off, or take profit trader with 40% off. So that's solid deal. Don't miss this because they, especially my funded users, don't run this kind of deals too often. I guess I never seen like 50% off at all on all accounts. Well, tomorrow market is going to close at 1 p.m. I said it's short day. So between 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. tomorrow market is going to close. It's going to reopen at 6 p.m. and it's going to close on Friday at 1 p.m. again. Well, classic trend day so far. Look, I don't show the trade AM session like recently because I started trading gold. Gold moves during pre-market most of the time, almost never during New York session. Sometimes, I mean, we got today move up as well, but most of the time it moved during pre-market. So I don't really trade in Q. I didn't trade this for a long time, I would say. I'm doing good on gold, so I will stick to gold since I'm doing well there. Why early? I have no idea why. So guys, no trades or no stream tomorrow. Probably will try to trade my funded accounts. But pretty much satisfied with my trading today during pre-market. 2 tries, 2 wins. Gold is gold, exactly. So brilliant price action, amazing price action. What could be better than gold price action? Nothing. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to touch this challenge at all. So this challenge still sitting with starting balance. Even tomorrow, I'm not going to touch this because this challenge was bought only for streams. I will trade my funded account. So we'll come back to continue this challenge on Monday. Guys, if you want to participate in this challenge, we call this like path from evaluation to funded account. You can get right now any account with current deals. We got 80% off on Apex, 50% off on any plans with my funded futures, 30% off with funded next futures, 40 with TPT, and 50 on any account size with TradingView. One of the best deals so far, at least I ever seen. Finally, in July, all pro firms running perfect sales. Perfect sales. Yeah, I also use this discount, so. Yes, I use in 2 minute and higher. I didn't trade like last couple of months 1 minute at all. Since I would say April? You never traded 1 minute? Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. No. Here's idea. I was talking about retracement. Long is fine. It's okay. I said I will be bullish if may get smart money reversal. It's not about model at all. No, entry, if you want to consider 30-minute tip, is over here. Yeah, we got the closure, entry at the open of next candle. Yes. I mean, yes. I said I'm going to be bullish, like overall. I don't need to see retracement down to the sell side anymore. If may get smart money reversal. And smart money reversal is going to be changing the state of delivery, and inversion. So at this point, we should pump. That's what I said. So, that's what I meant, yeah. Yeah, it's available on my YouTube. Completely free. Okay, guys. 50 seconds left, now 400 likes. So I will finish at 11. So all I want to say, guys, once again for challenge, if you want to participate in this challenge with me, without full porting, once again, all you want to do is just buy evaluation, any size you like, just to let's do this challenge together. Don't make stupid mistakes, guys. Tomorrow is short day, Friday is bank holiday. We might get actually retracement or something like this in the near future on NQ. I mean, I hope to get this because we got just straight move up. But challenge, I started new challenge, like path from evaluation to funded account. And today I got new evaluation, just evaluation for streams only. So I'm not going to trade this off stream because I have funded accounts. So this just for fun, to see how it goes, how much time it will take to pass evaluation without full porting, you know. Using like current sales, it's best time to get some accounts, as I did. So I will give it a try. Let's see how it goes. It's 11, guys. No giveaway today. We didn't hit 400 likes. That's fine. Once again, subscribe to my newsletter so to get new homework. And I will see you guys on Monday. So yeah, I stream daily on YouTube. Just tomorrow is a short day. I'm not going to stream. Friday is bank holiday. I'm not going to stream. So we'll come back on Monday at 8:50 a.m. This sale is based on July 4, so no. So guys, no giveaway. We didn't hit 400 likes. Market is slow. So guys, I wish you perfect holiday, perfect weekend. It's going to be a long weekend. I will start working on a new video about how I do top-down analysis on CL and gold. I will deep dive in my model that I trade. I'm doing great today, so I got 2 winners today, so no complaints. Nothing on valuation, but good on funded, so doing great today. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions about homework, send me please direct message. You can post your homework on your Twitter. Just tag me or send me direct message with your homework. It's up to you. When you're gonna post new video next week. So I will see you guys on Monday. Don't make stupid mistakes, guys. See you guys. Bye bye.